All right, I'm going to step out the problems that you had to do for odds so that you can see the difference between odds and probability. So we're finding the odds of an 8-sided dice. I'm going to go ahead and list out an 8-sided dice. Remember, odds is favorable over unfavorable. Odds against would be the flip of that, okay? So I would want you to write the odds of getting 3 over it's not a 3, which would be 1 over 7. 1 is a 3, 7 are not. This one would be not 3 over is a 3, so it would be the reciprocal of this, and it would be 7 to 1, 7 to 1. The odds that it's an even would be even over odd. There is, count them, 1, 2, 3, 4 even, 4 odd, 1 to 1. Next one is not 7 or 8 over is 7 or 8. So looking at this, how many are not 7 or 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 are, and you're going to make that 3 to 1. 1 or 2 over, not 1 or 2. 2 of them are 1 or 2. That means that 6 of them are not, 1 to 3. So a number less than 6 and then a number greater than or equal to 6. There are 5 less than, 3 greater than or equal to, 5 to 3. The odds of each outcome using the spinner, so it's yellow over not yellow, would be 1 to 3. Red to not red, sorry if the camera's moving, 1 to 3. Not blue over blue is 3 to 1. And not blue or green over it is blue or green. So not blue or green would be 2 to 2, 1 to 1. Now let's go to the cards. So odds of selecting a blackjack. So you would say blackjack over not a blackjack. There's 1 blackjack, 25 rephrase. There are 2 blackjacks, clubs, spades, and that means that 50 are not, because there's 52 cards in a standard deck of cards. Simplify that to be 1 to 25. The odds of selecting a 3 over it's not a 3. There's 4 3s, 48 are not, because together they make 52, 1 to 12. Not a club over is a club. So not a club would be 39, 13 are clubs. Simplify, 3 to 1. Selecting a 6 or 8, I'm going to put this one right up here. 6 or 8 over not 6 or 8. There's 8 of them that are 6 or 8 in the deck of cards. 44 are not. Simplify, 2 to 11. Not a king over king. So how many are not a king? Or it's better to count how many are a king. There are 4 kings. Take 4 and subtract it from 52, and you have 48 are not. 12 to 1. Aces are counted as higher than a king. What are the odds of selecting a card lower than a 10? So lower than a 10. So let's say less than 10 over greater than or equal to 10. So let's think about it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are all cards less than 10. And so I would have 32 over 20, which is 8 to 5. Together that makes 52. So if you're trying to figure it out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cards, remember there's 4 suits. So you would have 8 for diamonds, 8 for hearts, 8 for clubs, and 8 for spades. That's what makes the 32. Take that 32 away from 52, 20 are greater than or equal to. What are the odds in the favor of the team winning? Here's wins to losses. So we have 92 to 70, which is 46 to 35 simplified. Player has 150 hits, 500 at-bats. That's my probability. What are the odds in favor of a hit? Would be 150 over 350. Because we take that 150 away from 500 to find this is wins, or hits, I should say, over not hits. And simplify that, you're gonna get 3 to 7. Here's your chart that's important. How many ways can 2 number cubes total 11? 2 times, twice. So only 2 times that you're gonna come on here and find 11, right here and right here, see? What's the odds of rolling a sum of 11? Well, 2 times 2 minus 36 is 34, 1 to 17. What are the odds in favor of rolling doubles? Here's my doubles. Where are my doubles? Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 doubles. Take it away from 36. 30 are not. 1 to 5. Not rolling doubles would just flip that. Be 30 over 6. 5 to 1. So this is not doubles over doubles. Okay? Hopefully that helped you practice with your odds and you wouldn't have any questions with that. Some of you might go on to the extra practice and work on this. Try and get through this and make sure you triply understand things. I'm just going to show you instead of doing it right here. Let me go through these with you. Odds of the spinner. So you would have odd number over even, which would be 4 to 4, 1 to 1. Less than 6 over not less than 6 would be 5 to 3. Not a 7 or 8 over it is a 7 or 8 would be 6 to 2, 3 to 1. A number greater than 5 over a number less than or equal to 5 would be 3 to 5. What are the odds of a red king? There are 2 red kings, hearts and diamonds, out of 52 cards. So take away that 2 from 52, 2 to 50. Don't make it probability. Remember, it's not 2 to 52. That's probability. It should be king over not a king. Red king over not a red king. So 2 to 50, 1 to 25. Selecting a 4 of diamonds over it's not a 4 of diamonds. There's only 1 4 of diamonds. And so 51 are not 4 of diamonds. Odds of not selecting an even, not a face card. So it would be not an even club over it's an even club. 47 of them are not an even club. 5 of them are an even club. So you can look at 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 are even. Okay. The odds of selecting a diamond or an 8 of spades. So a diamond or an 8 of spades over not a diamond or 8 of spades. So remember, there's 13 diamonds and 1 8 of spades. That makes 14 fit in the top category. Take that away from 52 and you have 38. Not selecting a queen of hearts. So 51 cards are not queen of hearts. Only 1 queen of hearts. So there's the odds. Together makes 52. Of odds of selecting a jack over not a jack, 4 are jacks, hearts, diamonds, clubs, spades, over not a jack. 4 minus 52, 48. 4 over 48, 1 to 12. One opinion poll, 41% Americans are completely satisfied, 44% are somewhat satisfied. What are the odds in favor of an American worker chosen at random being completely satisfied and then somewhat satisfied? So completely satisfied is 41, take that away from 100, you got 59. So 41 to 59. Somewhat satisfied are 44, take that away from 100 to 56. Okay, and you could simplify that. Odds against being a sports fan, so not odds against being a sport fan would be 43, it's gonna be both of those, to 57. The odds against a person having no opinion, so opinion versus no opinion, 99 have an opinion, 1 does not. Based on the poll of 1,000 people, how many fans would you expect not to be a sport fan? Basically, you're just doing 1,000 times 42% to find 420. And then we go to here. What are the odds in favor of a mineral harder than topaz over weaker? So harder than topaz over weaker. This is a hardness and thickness would be 2 to 8. Only 2 of them are harder than topaz over 8 total. Or I'm not 8 total. 2 minus 10 total. What are the odds in favor of a quartz? Is 1 to 9. So quartz, 1 is quartz, 9 are not. Odds against getting a mineral softer, then so it would be odds against softer, so not softer, so hard over soft. 4 are hard, and then 6 are not. 2/3. Odds against drawing a mineral harder than, so we got 5 are. 5 of them are, 5 of them are not. 5 to 5, 1 to 1. Hopefully this helps. Hopefully you have a better idea how to do odds and feel more comfortable.